Every year in America, 47,173 people commit suicide, and this number continues to grow. A person dies when he loses the motivation to live. How can you restore the motivation to live? I want to share with you 7 ways to restore your motivation. Number 1, change your location. If you live in a place where you feel miserable, change your location, move. When you change location, you can start completely new life. Number 2, if you're a shy person with very low self-confidence and you don't know how to approach people, how to talk to people, join the Toastmasters. It works. There are many clubs near you. All you have to do is just Google and find club that suits your needs. And I promise to you, you will find and you will meet amazing people there who will care for you and who will help you to restore your motivation to live. You will learn how to talk, how to communicate with people, how to approach people without fear and with self-confidence and positivity. Number 3, get rid of negative people around you. Number 4, never stay alone in your room for days. Nothing good is going to happen. You have to go out, you have to do something that will switch your way of thinking, just to try to help someone. Go as a volunteer, different non-profit organizations, and actually help others. And when you actually help someone else, you help yourself. Why you feel depressed? Why you feel suicidal? Because simply you don't have a purpose in your life. You lost motivation in your life. You lost purpose. And how can you gain that? By helping someone else. Number 5, start your YouTube channel. Share your story with the world. And this is so powerful. Number 6, certainly you wouldn't think about this. Something for you to consider. If you low on certain vitamins or minerals, it can lead you to depression and suicidal thoughts. Simply go and take your blood test. And if you will find that you are low on zinc, magnesium, selenium, or vitamin D, you better get those supplements and start taking them as soon as possible. Number 7, a good number. Simply go to a good chiropractor and ask for a good massage. After a good professional massage, you will feel like a newborn baby again. You will feel so good that you will have no space for negative thoughts, negative or destructive thoughts. So, don't wait. Start doing something. Change your life. Change your life for better. Remember, life is worth living. And you was born for a purpose. And this purpose is to help to make this world a better place and to help others. And when you're helping others, you're helping yourself. Live long, stay strong.